I tread carefully on the icy path every winter morning. I am treading water in the deep end right now. I have just trodden on a piece of glass. I have been treading this same trail for years. I trod on the cat's tail by accident yesterday. I was treading softly past the nursery when the stair creaked. I had trodden a clear path through the snow before the others came. I had been treading the boards in local theater for years before my big break. I will tread lightly around the topic tomorrow. I will be treading grapes at the festival all afternoon. I will have trodden every trail in the park by the end of summer. By June, I will have been treading this mountain route each week for a year.